Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I got a haul for y'all, and plus I want to do an announcement of the winner of the giveaway that I was having. So y'all, I want to say thank you. I have like a lot of new subscribers out of the blue all of a sudden, but I do thank y'all for subbing to the channel. I hope you will hang out with your girl. Let me know like the kind of videos that you like to see. I work second shift, y'all, so sometimes I film, but it's hard sometimes for me to edit and just do a lot of things. I used to do a lot of natural hair videos, just like, you know, reviewing products and stuff like that. I do vlogs and stuff like that as well. So let me know what you're interested in. And I thank you so much for subbing to my channel. I think all of you that have been riding with me for a while, I thank you a whole lot, girl, because y'all been riding with your girl. So without further ado, I had a giveaway for the TGIN, Thank God It's Natural Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. This is a fabulous conditioner if your hair is dry and just really in the wintertime period. This is a really, really nice conditioner to have on standby. So, Extraordinary Chick. You are the winner. Extraordinary Chick. So, I'm going to throw in these samples that I got of the double buttercream, the twist defining cream, as well as the leave-in conditioner. I don't know, girl. I might throw in something else too. But anyway, send me your information. I will try my best to get it out this week. If I don't do it this week, it'll definitely be in the beginning of next week. But hopefully, I'm going to get it out this week. So go ahead and send me your information. And you can email me, treyadama4@gmail.com. So my email address should be on my account somewhere, child. So look it up. So y'all, I ordered some things from where is it? From My Honey Child, and she is local in Raleigh. So I went to pick it up today, and she had a 50% off sale. I hadn't ordered anything from her in a while, so when I saw the 50% off, girl, I was like, yes, honey, let me go ahead and snatch up some of this stuff, because I just hadn't ordered anything from a while. But y'all, let me tell y'all, I had like, did y'all have a rough time ordering this time? Like, some of the companies, their codes weren't working. Some of the companies, I was just confused about what was actually on sale. It was just, let me cut this fan on y'all because I am hot. It is nighttime, y'all. Just got off work. Your girl is tired. Y'all got so sleepy at the last like 20-30 minutes of work. I got so sleepy. I was like, oh my God, I'm so sleepy. And then I have like about a 45-minute drive. So girl, whew, child. But I was confused with shopping in some of these websites this time, and I was really kind of annoyed a little bit as well, because I realized, y'all, some of this stuff is high as hell. Like, even with some of them 50 and 35% off, it was like, yo, really? Like, that's all I can say is that stuff is high as crap. I ordered a lot of stuff from her, though, because she had 50% off, girl. And their prices are not too bad outside of 50% off. I ordered from My Honey Child, ordered 2 of the Type 4 hair creams. I wanted a fresh batch of this. And I ordered 2, so they were like, how much were these? I think they might $10. So there was $20 for 8 ounces. And so I paid $10 each for these. Girl, let me tell you something. My family was so happy, girl. I know a lot of times, yeah, I do have a lot of products. But as I mentioned before, I have granddaughters. I have little cousins. Everybody in my family is natural except for about 2 people. And there's a lot of, let me see, 3, except for 3. And everybody else is natural. So I do a lot of hair for my family members. I give them products. Girl, they were so happy this for Thanksgiving, because child, I gave away, I ain't gonna tell y'all how much I gave away. I gave away a lot, but they were happy. And the stuff, sometimes I may have used it once. Sometimes I haven't used it at all. But I had to clear out some space, girl, for some new stuff. I will show y'all, but I'm too embarrassed. Because I call myself cleaning out space. Anywho, let me get back to what I got, y'all. I got the soy hair milk. This is the whole milk, and the honeybee sweet scalp elixir. And that's what these look like. This is clear. Let's see what this is here. This is the clarifier. Because y'all, let me tell y'all what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to transition over into shampoo bars. I don't know why. It's just really been on my mind lately to do it. Don't know why. I just want to. So I think, but I know it's like after shampoo bars, y'all tell me if y'all get this. Like after shampoo bars, you definitely have to rinse your hair really, really, really good. But then I also sometimes find that I have to go in with like vinegar or something like that. You know, like the vinegar mixture a little bit afterwards. And I don't know why. I love the lavender, but they say your hair has to get used to the shampoo bars. But yeah, I think I'm just going to go with shampoo bars starting next year. Or maybe starting this year, to be honest. So I got this herbal hair cocktail. Y'all, oh my God. I freaking love, I don't even know. You know, like sometimes we stop using products and we just don't even know why. Really, I love this stuff a lot. I got the honey nut conditioner. It's the kink peacemaker. My hair started to kink back up a little bit. Y'all see it? Now this side, child, not yet. I'm still, these ends are still, y'all see that? You see that? Yeah, them ends are still pretty straight. So it's not as bad as it was though. My hair has come a long ways, but this side is actually looking good, and the top part is kind of back. But it is this side that I'm kind of having a problem with, and like some of the front, and of course the back where my texture was loose. So y'all hear me say that all the time. Anyway, so I got the honey nut conditioner. I got the aloe vera leave-in treatment, the cuticle smoother. So this will be my first time trying this out. I got the Olive You deep conditioner, which I've wanted a big size of this, but she has sold out. So I ended up getting this size. I was trying to see how much this stuff was, y'all. And then I got the honey hair mask. Now, this used to be really, really good. I liked her products a lot. Y'all, like I said, no reason why I stopped using them. I just did. But I don't know. Don't ask me why, child. Anywho, I'm about to get out this here. I was about to say get out this phone. And y'all, I know I'm probably looking over there. I'm so used to my camera being over there, but it's over here. I got a new iPad and I hadn't got my setup right with it yet. Girl, I shot my A off, honey. Let me tell y'all something. Your girl put it down. But you know what? I was thinking, it's so nice. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I had 4 kids, and I was a single mother for a lot of years, honey. I said all that to say I deserve every dime I spend. I'm trying to tell you, because when you raise 4 kids and everybody's grown, they're gone, they're out the house, at almost 50 years old, you should be able to buy basically whatever you want. What you need and basically what you want. And that's a blessing. You know what I'm saying? It is a blessing. And I tell people before, and I know, you know, y'all say I don't have to explain myself. I know I don't, but I just, you know, feel like sometimes people just don't get it sometimes. But yeah, I have life insurance. We have life insurance. We have savings. We have all that stuff. So when you see me spending money, I'm not going to spend my mortgage money. I'm not going to spend, I don't have no car payments. I mean, thank God, you know, and y'all, I save all year, really. Save specifically to be able to shop this time of the year, because everything is on sale. You get stuff half price. I mean, you get, it was some company had 70% off, girl. Now I missed that, but y'all know what I'm saying. If you're older, honey, you know exactly what I'm saying. It is a blessing to be able to just, and my daughter and I, we were shopping the other night. It was so funny because, girl, I was buying some stuff, and she was like, Mom, she's like, it must be nice, huh, to have to not worry about buying no toys and all that kind of stuff. And I said, you know what? I hadn't even thought about, y'all, to be honest. I really had not thought about it. And I said, you know what? You're right. It is a blessing, and it is nice to not have to worry about buying no toys, you know, I buy gifts for the kids and stuff, but now is the time, y'all, to buy bed linen. I bought bed linen. I bought me a what you call it, oh my God, what's that blender, y'all, a Ninja to have at work, because sometimes I just don't like, I like my smoothies as I, you know, do them up. I don't really like to freeze them and all that kind of stuff, and I don't like them sitting, so I got one specifically for work. But now's the time to just take advantage and just buy so much stuff. Bed linen. Macy's had some serious sales on their bed linens, their sheets, their comforters, and stuff like that. So I ordered a lot, you know, like a lot of that stuff. JCPenney is the same thing. So now is the time to really just shop and just spoil yourself, girl. And yeah, I buy stuff throughout the year, but y'all know, like I said, I deserve every dime. I said, me and one of the subscribers, I forgot her name, was having that discussion. And there's nothing wrong with it. Now, sometimes I go overboard. Sometimes I spend more than I intend to spend. Yeah, I could say that. But at the same time, y'all, I have a good time, honey. Because there were so many times I had to budget. I had to really, not that I don't budget now, but I really had to watch my dollars, girl, because I had children. But I thank God that He has blessed me to be able to. But you know what? I give a lot too. And that's the thing is, when you give a lot, when you give, more is given to you. And I have learned that throughout my life. It is a blessing to give. When you give, God gives back to you. And it's so, I just do. You know what I'm saying? So, anywho, congratulations to an extraordinary chick. Hit your girl up with your information so I can get your stuff out to you. Thank y'all so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, share this video. I have another what you call it? I have another giveaway coming soon, y'all. I'm trying to decide what I want to give away. If I want to do hair products, I think it's going to be makeup. You know what? I haven't done any makeup in a long time. I don't know what it's going to be, though. I'm looking because I got some new stuff. I don't know. I might just do like, I don't know. I'm coming up with something. It's going to be a December. It's going to be a December giveaway. But you got to be subbed to my channel. You do have to be active, y'all. It don't take nothing just to holler at your girl every once in a while. You know what I'm saying? Like, I watch a lot of videos on my TV, so sometimes I'll watch them on TV, but I go back to people's videos later on and, you know, make a comment or something like that because I enjoy their videos. I want them to keep making videos. And have you ever had, like, people that you really, really like to look at and they start making videos and you like, or they don't make them as much? Like, some people I use to look at, like, every day. I love to watch them because they were vloggers, but they were older, more mature women, and they were just natural. You know what I'm saying? Like, no putting on airs, just natural. Just what you see is what you get. I love people like that. I love to watch people like that. Because with me, y'all, what you see is what you get. I am what I am. I am who I am. I've been this way, girl, for years, and you either love me or you hate me. But anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by, and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.